Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to this week's episode of Super Saturday. Today for Super Saturday, I was studying for my finals, and so I've spent the past 12 hours studying for my calculus final. And so for Super Saturday, I'm bringing calculus to you, and today for Super Saturday, we are going to be proving that God exists using calculus. If you look on the screen behind me, you'll see a thing called Euler's formula. And Euler's formula is a mathematical series that proves the existence of God based on calculus. So Euler's formula goes a little something like this. You're going to have e to the I to a variable of x, which is equal to cosine plus imaginary I sine of variable x. And so what this is going to do through mathematics is going to leave us, say, x equals pi. So if we have x equal to pi, we're going to get e to the I pi is equal to cosine pi plus imaginary sine pi. Sine of pi, 0, I plus negative 1 equal to e to the I pi, e imaginary pi equal to negative 1 plus 0, because 0 times I is 0. And this mathematical formula gives us e to the imaginary I pi is equal to negative 1 plus 0, or e I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. E I pi 1, 0. The 5 fundamental numbers in all of mathematics: 0, for which all numbers are based; 1, the integer in which addition is based, everything is plus 1, so 0 plus 1 equals 2. But the foundational numbers in all of addition and subtraction; pi, the basic formula for geometry and trigonometry and shapes in general, especially the circle; imaginary I for all those imaginary numbers that we cannot find between the whole integers found with the 1 and the 0, and then the E number 2.7 and some change, which all natural logs is based on, which is the foundation for all of calculus. And so the odds of these 5 numbers being in the exact same equation as the solution for Euler's formula proves that only by design could those numbers be together, which is why the Euler's formula through calculus proves God exists. Thank you all for being here for Super Saturday. I got to lock in, but this is what I learned today.